Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to do something different. I'm going to make some porridge and talk you through it. I think it's going to be a fun way for you to hear some English and pay attention and hopefully learn some new things. So I've just said talk you through it. That means I'm going to be doing something and explaining what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So this is my very own porridge recipe and it's brilliant. I love it and I think you're gonna love it as well. So we need 1 cup of whole milk. Don't go asking me, oh Patty, is it okay if I use almond milk? I don't know. I'm just giving you my recipe, okay? Whole milk, that goes in a pan. This is off, okay? It's not turned on yet. And then I'm not actually sure how much porridge oats I need. So I'm gonna try and find out with you guys because usually I kind of know just by looking. So let's try 1/2 cup. I like it quite runny. I don't want my porridge to be too thick and stodgy because then it's just, I don't know, I don't like it. Too filling, too rich. No, I want it quite runny. So that's 1/2 cup. Let's see if this is how much I need. No, I need a bit more. So it's probably about 1 cup of porridge oats as well. Let's see. Perfect. 1 cup of porridge oats. What I need now is, this is really good. I use a bit, when I say a bit, it's literally just a bit of desiccated coconut. So this one is lovely because it's quite flaky. Let me show you. So I'm going to add, I'm guessing it's about a tablespoon of desiccated coconut. Yeah, that's it, about a tablespoon. Now we need some drops of vanilla extract. So you want to get a good one. This is a really good one. It smells amazing. So maybe 3 or 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that'll do. 5 actually. Brilliant. That's lovely. I always want a banana in there. So if I have bananas at home, definitely using one. So you peel the banana and it's so simple. You just take a knife and chop it in. So I like small little chunks, but that's up to you. That means you decide. So you chop a banana in there, and just as a quick reminder, I have not turned anything on yet. I'm just adding all the ingredients into the pan. Okay, that'll do. And now I need some honey. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know this is the honey I have been talking to you guys about. It tastes so good. So I want one, it's like, I think it's about a teaspoon of honey. Don't want it too sweet. So about a teaspoon of honey. Got some honey on my spoon, so I just scrape it off like that. Brilliant. What I want now, it's all good, is some cinnamon, obviously. So that's just, again, completely up to you how much cinnamon you add, but you want some cinnamon in there. I'm going crazy. Whoa. Okay. Let me think. Have I got everything in? I do. So now I actually turn this on, and we want like a medium sort of heat. So not too high, not too low. And you want to keep stirring. To be honest with you, now looking at it, I think I need a little bit more milk. Because again, I don't want it to be too thick and stodgy. So let me just get the milk. Hold on. Right, so I'm just going to add a little bit more because I prefer it like that. Let's see. Yeah, that will do. So I'm using a spatula. And you want to keep stirring gently and nicely. And the moment this kind of comes to a boil, when it starts boiling, you'll give it what? A few seconds and you're done. Because if you let it cook for longer and let it simmer for longer, then it will just be too thick. It thickens very quickly. If you like it very thick, then that's fine. That's up to you, but I don't. I want mine to be quite runny. I like mine on the runny side. So I'm just gonna get on with it. You know, funny thing is that I used to hate porridge. Just the look of it used to completely put me off. So I would see porridge and think that it looked disgusting. I'm not going to tell you what I thought this reminded me of, because no, but it was really, I hated it. And then I started eating porridge, this recipe that I created, if you like, and I started loving it. It really grew on me. It really grew on me. I started to love it. It's one of my favourite snacks in the afternoon. It's comforting, it's warm, it's sweet, it's healthy, it's lovely. Some people may say, oh no, it's not so healthy because there's lots of carbohydrates. But for me, for my body type, for my health, it's perfect. It's just what I need in the afternoon. So I'm going to be honest with you, I feel that this is the ultimate comfort food in terms of a nice snack. Especially in winter, because then it's just so cozy and warm. I love it. We're almost there. And sometimes, guys, I turn it off before it starts boiling, because, you know, you're stirring, you can kind of see that it starts to thicken. So it doesn't need to boil necessarily. So sometimes I turn it off sooner. It takes me, what, 3 to 4 minutes to make this. Super quick, I think about 4 minutes to be honest. And it's ready. It's ready, oh my God. So I'm gonna pour it into my bowl for you to see the consistency. I think here you'll be able to see. So, no, okay, maybe this way. Right, I think you can see now. So it's not super runny, it's just runny enough for it not to be stodgy. Okay, because when something is stodgy, when food is stodgy, it's just too rich and too thick and too filling, and it's just unpleasant. Scrape it all off. You want all of it. That's it. Okay, perfect. So now, just to finish it off, some extra cinnamon on top. You want to sprinkle that on. And I love adding some crushed, let's say that again, some crushed nuts. So this is walnuts. So I just gonna do it like this. So just sprinkle it on top. That'll do, just a little bit. A little special touch, and really, look, absolutely beautiful. It's just perfect. I love it. Try it at home. Let me know what you think. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It was nice, wasn't it? I hope you did. See you guys next time. Take care.